Okay, so we're going to come in and start painting the 5-panel glass door and do the sash. So we're going to turn sideways, put our bristles up in there. This is a fast process. We want to get this door painted. So we're going to go right down and paint all these edges right now. We do painting fast. It's not la 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 painting. We want to get it done. We want to get it done fast with quality and professionalism. There you go. Get this done right here, fast. Notice how I'm not touching the glass. We're going to get the top same way. Just run the paintbrush down there. There you go. Let's get that done quick. There you go. We want to keep everything wet. So when I'm putting it on this piece of trim, we want to keep it's wet right here. We want it to stay wet until we paint this and blend it all together. So it looks like a professionally painted latex semi-gloss door. Now we're going to do the bottom header. You're putting a thin coat. You're not overloading the paintbrush. You don't need it. You want to apply it evenly throughout the process. You're not putting on too much. We're going to do the hinge side. Looks like someone already got a little bit of paint on there. All right, bring it over here. Go closer to the hinge. Take a couple of bristles and zoom right by that. There you go. There's not a lot of paint on the brush. You don't need it. Take your other hand if you're capable of it. And let's get against the sash now. Go straight down. Apply the product first. You want to get it done quick. Now that that's done, we're going to want to feather it up. So feather the whole thing up and blend it all in. There you go. Let's do this side. Apply the product first. Do you see the bead of paint I'm leaving right here? See the bead? That's a bead of paint. That's okay. I'm going to put that right on there. Frame has already been painted yesterday. I removed the handle by backing it off. It's been backed off. We're going to send some bristles behind it, just like that. See it? It's going right behind it. Right behind it. Right behind it. Get it up under there. There you go. Smooth that over. You get the rest of the door. Now let's go over our work to give it the graining of the paintbrush bristles. Feather this in. Nice long strokes. There you go. Not too bad for your first time in utilizing a really used painter's brush. This doesn't matter. This isn't touching anything. Good job.